Welcome! Today I'm showing how to log SIM card with SIM pin into a Honor 9A. First of all, open your settings and find security option, this one. Then go into more settings, and here we got encryption and details. And first option in the list will be setup SIM lock. So you need to choose your SIM card and click here to lock SIM card with pin. For locking SIM card, need to enter your pin, for example 1, 2, 3, 4, and click OK. And that's it. Now we lock our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.